out on the sledge, ready to go. Can't Mr. John Eccles get it out that far end. Come on, Johnny boy. Here we go. Come on, John. Get on with it. Get locked in like it's up. Oh, there he is now. He's locked in. Oh, that's going to be far enough. Local UK business sponsoring a Dutch tractor. Barney and the team, no stranger to getting this machine lit up. Multiple Euro Cup champion, European champion, and is the one that they all want to catch. So Barney gonna get it lit up. Wait for the wash, ladies and gentlemen. Don't blink or you'll miss it. Come on, Rocky, hit the loud pedal. Get on, the Rocky, stick the nose up into the air. Get on with it. Ladies and gentlemen, fire out the far end in fine style. Mr. Mike Simmons, wind it up. 2 green lights for you. Oh. Come on, Mike, here we go. Yes, get on with it, get one. There we go, that's what we want. Look at that nose in the sky. Get on, that's ready for the next man, which is the Bad Medicine. Leon Attenborough at the wheel of the Bad Medicine Common Rail diesel machine. Oh, that's not going to happen. Oh, that's not going to go. He used to be driven by Jim Greenhalgh, a long-time friend of the club. So, come on, Mr. John Eccles, let's hear it. Come on, John, like it up. Get over, you have to get over it. Oh, big gear won't stand that. He said he was going to transit the wheel of the Baby Bear. Now needs to get all his cards in order to get out this far end. Come on, Gareth, wind it up. Get on with it, Gareth Jones. Oh, look out, he's locked in. Big gear, she'll stand that. Locked into the track, has to do the play. Come on, Baby Bear. So anybody after a John Deere Pro Stock that's absolutely on song, go and see the team. They'll gladly sell it to you. Come on, the trial and error. Daniel at the wheel, get it locked into the track. Nice and tight in the drive. Come on, the trial and error. Oh yes, there's a lot. Square that easy start into the turbo. Come on, the redneck! Get on with it! Oh, look at the cone and play that in, keep it straight and narrow. Oh, got a bit of a rock and roll on. So the one-trick pony, no stranger again to competing at top European level. Come on, Robo-Bill. Light it up, get on with it. Pick that nose up, listen to the RPMs out of that machine. Get on, the one-trick pony. Out the far end in fine style. So we bring back our man from France, the Froggy. Didn't manage to get away from the line earlier, so we let him drop 6 places. So let's hope they've managed to fix the problem, got the engine ready to rock and roll. Another John Deere machine. Can he join the red ones and yellow ones in the pull-off? Come on, the Froggy, hit the loud pedal.